Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have a mic. Plug it in and launch GTA 5 online. First, confirm your platform recognizes the device, then open the game settings, audio. Set voice chat to team or crew depending on who you want to hear. Team routes to job teammates, crew covers your crew. Once done, adjust input volume so your voice isn't clipping. Set output so you can hear others. Make sure your platform's privacy allows voice. This prevents silent mics and saves time. Now fine-tune how voice behaves in sessions. Open audio settings again and balance input and output volumes. Lower the input if friends hear distortion, raise output if others are quiet. Choose push-to-talk if you want control, or open mic for seamless talk. Push-to-talk reduces background noise. Then set voice chat range. Proximity keeps chat local, crew or session opens voice to larger groups. Once these are set, rejoin or invite one friend to confirm levels and behavior. Finish by testing directly. Invite a friend and speak naturally. Ask them to confirm clarity and volume. If voice fails, first check platform privacy and mute settings. Your party or system mute often causes silence. Next, verify NAT and network stability. Strict NAT can block voice. If problems persist, restart the game or the console/PC, unplug and replug the headset, and switch between open mic and push-to-talk to isolate whether input detection is the issue. One quick reset usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.